Bonjour à tous, hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 3, leçon E. And in this lesson we'll see together les nationalités. So basically I've been making this nationalities lesson based on the previous lesson. So leçon D, okay, so I definitely invite you to check the leçon D if you want that everything is clear for you, okay? But then les nationalités, and it's starting right now. La Grèce, Grec, so I will put each time the masculine form for the nationality, Grec, and the feminine form here for the nationality, okay? So you get the country, la Grèce, and then you get Grec, masculine form, Grec, feminine form. You write them differently, but then if you listen carefully, Grec, Grec, you pronounce them the same way, okay? Le Portugal, Portugais, Portugaise. Okay, so listen carefully. Portugais, Portugaise. The only difference between the two, as usually when we'll have some, nationalities ending with AES, like that, and then the feminine form, es, okay, it will be only in this z sound, the difference between the masculine form and the feminine form, okay? Masculine, Portugais, you don't pronounce the S. Feminine form, Portugaise, you pronounce this Z sound, okay? And then l'Espagne, Espagnol, remember, Espagnol, Espagnol. So you get this final E for the feminine form, but then phonetically it's the same. L'Italie, Italien, Italienne. Remember, when you get this E followed by a double consonant like here, then you will have to open it. Italienne, Italienne. Okay? Le Luxembourg, Luxembourgeois, Luxembourgeois, and then feminine form, Luxembourgeoise. Okay? Same thing here, only difference, joie, joie, joise, okay, you insist on it. Luxembourgeois, masculine form, and then luxembourgeoise, feminine form. Then la France, français, française, okay, c'est, and then seize, okay, français, française, all right, it continues. Les Pays-Bas, néerlandais, néerlandaise, néerlandais, néerlandaise, okay? L'Irlande, irlandais, irlandaise. Le Royaume-Uni, britannique, okay? Only one form, whether it's masculine or feminine, britannique. L'Allemagne, allemand, allemande, okay, same thing here. Okay, you don't pronounce the final D, but then you pronounce it here for the feminine form. Allemande, okay, allemand, allemande. La Belgique, belge, so only one form here for the masculine and the feminine form. Le Danemark, danois, danoise. Okay, insist on that. Danois, don't pronounce the final S. Danoise, here you pronounce it. L'Autriche, autrichien, autrichienne. So same thing here. You get E and then double N, you open the E. Autrichienne, okay? Autrichien, autrichienne. La Suède, suédois, suédoise, okay? Suédois, suédoise. La Finlande, finlandais, finlandaise, finlandais, finlandaise. L'Estonie, estonien, estonienne. Same thing here, double N, E, and then you open it. E, estonienne, estonienne. La Lettonie, letton, lettonne, letton, lettonne. La Lituanie, lituanien, lituanienne. Same thing here. You open the e, lituanienne. Okay, lituanien, lituanienne. La Pologne, polonais, polonaise, polonais, polonaise. La République tchèque, tchèque. Okay, so here as well, you get only one nationality. So whether for masculine or feminine form, it will be the same. Czech. Okay. Chypre, same thing here. Chypriote. Remember this Y is pronounced like I. Okay. Chypriote. Chypriote. Okay. Malte, maltais, maltaise. So remember, as I said previously, the only difference, es, maltais, maltaise. La Slovénie, so only one form here, Slovène, Slovène. Remember, E accent grave, you open it, Slovène. La Hongrie, hongrois, hongroise. Okay, hongrois, grois, hongroise. Okay, so here final S not pronounced for the masculine form, and then you pronounce it here for the feminine form. Hongrois, hongroise. Okay, well, that's it. It was leçon E. Remember that you can follow, well, the other lessons, so whether the previous lessons or the lessons that are coming after here on this channel, Imagier. So it's on youtube.com, and then the website is here. You can find more material there. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.